Want to use your AirPods as a microphone for recordings or calls? In today's video, I'll show you how to set it up properly so your audio sounds clear and reliable. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. To do so, simply wear your AirPods. Open up your camera app on your iPhone. Select Video Mode. Open up your control center by swiping down from the top of your iPhone. Here you can see an option Camera Controls. Tap on it. Under Input, select your AirPods. Under Mic Mode, you have the option of Automatic, Standard, Voice Isolation or Wide Spectrum. For me, I'll just leave it as Standard. Another way to do this is to go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Tap on Input. Here, you can select your AirPods Pro. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.